Today, we're working on a little project. Check it out. This is the shed build. So we're gonna build a shed over here, and it's gonna be sweet. So I've been working for a little while, getting this prepped. I had to dig this whole thing out. We've got an 18-inch footer. We have a raised section in the center. It's gonna be about 4 inches deep right in the middle, and it's gonna be about 8 inches deep on the side. Tomorrow we're gonna pour concrete and we're gonna get that going. The cool thing about this is it's actually going to be a straw bale shed. So I'm gonna build the whole thing with straw bale. I'm gonna attempt to build the whole thing with straw bale. I still need to find a place that's gonna source my straw bale. I need to figure out where to get lime plaster. There's a lot I actually need to figure out still, but we're kind of moving forward with at least the concrete. So this is the very beginning of this particular build. I actually don't know how long it's gonna take. It's probably gonna take forever, but we're at least getting started. So I probably should have figured out whether I'm building a straw bale or not, and I'm not quite sure yet. I want to build a straw bale, but I don't know if I'll be able to source everything I need to actually do the build and have it be fairly cost effective. So I'll either do a 2x6 build or I'll do a straw bale build. But first, let's say hello to Kitty. Hey Kitty, how's it going? And she has been so lovey-dovey lately. She's been scared of all the cats that keep coming by. Yeah, good girl. Good girl. Yeah, such a good kitty. Oh, she's so pretty. Did you get her collar's gone again? Where'd your collar go? She's always losing her collar. Well, we did it. Check it out. We poured the concrete. That's great. Turned out really, really well. So what's interesting is I used to test concrete compaction growing up. I used to work for a soil density company, but we also did concrete. And one of the best ways to help concrete cure the strongest is to keep it wet. So I'm out here watering my concrete. If this was something commercial that required a specific strength number, that it would be wet all the time, but I'm just watering it whenever I get the chance to try and keep it as wet as I can, especially for the first 72 hours. After you water your concrete, don't forget to water your dog. Dogs need to be watered as well, especially Gunner. Gunner needs a lot of water. Water them just the right amount. You can't water your concrete enough. You can water your dog a little bit, at least. I can't even say it with a straight face. You can water your concrete and you can water your dog. In fact, you can even water your concrete and your dog at the same time. Check it out. But don't water your dog too much, at least this dog. Gunner will get so excited that she'll make herself throw up. So I'm trying to keep her off the concrete still. So I'm trying to water her separately and then water the concrete separately. Anyway, that's the beginning of the shed build. We gotta wait for this to cure, and then we're gonna keep on going. This is gonna be, it's probably gonna be a slow project, but I'll keep you updated every now and again on what I'm doing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.